Have you ever wished to uncover a technique so simple yet powerful that it can transform your deepest desires into reality, even if you've never practiced manifestation before? In today's video, I will reveal to you a method that acts like a magic potion, working with your feelings to fulfill your dreams, even if you have doubts. Get ready to change your life in astonishing ways. Neville Goddard's manifestation techniques place a strong emphasis on using feelings to attract everything you desire into your life. It is feelings that give rise to physical reality. The external world is simply a manifestation technique, a reflection of your thoughts and emotions. Therefore, if you wish to change your external reality, you must first focus on shifting your feelings. This technique is wonderful. It is one of Neville Goddard's best and most potent manifestation techniques, based on creating the feeling that your desire has already been fulfilled. Once you manage to practice the feelings of your desire, manifestation will occur soon and effortlessly. You will see how your manifestation approaches in the form of synchronicities, signs, and angel numbers. Many people face difficulties in their manifestations because they cannot feel the feelings before the desire becomes their physical reality. In this case, the technique is marvelous and highly useful. This is a wonderful manifestation technique that can be used to manifest something specific or multiple things at once, improving your life. Sometimes you just want to enhance your life in various areas, and there's nothing specific you can point to that would help you improve your life. When you have clarity about your desire, this technique should be your go-to choice. This manifestation technique takes care of everything for you. Its generic formulation will help you achieve everything necessary to positively transform your life. However, there's a catch. You may not have clarity about your desire, or you might have many things you want to manifest simultaneously. But one thing you can be sure of is your feelings. Ask yourself, what kind of feelings would you like to experience when you have everything you've ever wanted? How would it make you feel? That's the essence of the technique. It's wonderful. You need to know how it feels before it manifests in reality. Here's a tip on how to discover this feeling in case you struggle to identify the exact emotions. Remember a past moment when you received good news or something you wanted. Think about the feelings you had at that moment. What feelings were you experiencing? Were they feelings of happiness, fulfillment, or gratitude? Connect with that positive feeling from the past and use it with the technique. It's wonderful. Why should you use this manifestation technique? It's not just wonderful, it's simply amazing. It requires little effort and works like a charm every time. Here are some reasons why you should use this marvelous Neville Goddard technique. This technique is simple and easy to understand and practice, even for someone who has never had any experience with manifestation before. It's an excellent tool to use if you have several things to manifest at the same time. This technique also works if you're unsure about what you want to manifest. It automatically takes care of everything for you. It works with your feelings like a true magic potion. It puts you directly into the feeling that your desire is fulfilled, and that's something necessary for any manifestation to occur. This technique makes intelligent use of the state akin to sleep, which is another very powerful manifestation concept by Neville Goddard. If you're unsure about exactly what you want to manifest, I'll teach you how to use this powerful technique. The state akin to sleep every night before going to sleep, completely relax, either through a brief meditation or using any other mindfulness technique. Getting into a relaxed state is important for this technique to work. This is because in a relaxed state, your conscious mind slows down, and you have direct access to your subconscious. With this direct access, it's much easier to program the subconscious for your manifestations. When your mind is relatively relaxed, evoke a feeling you would have when you know that each of your desires has manifested. If you have trouble finding the feeling, I've already explained a trick for this in this blog post. So go back and learn how to get to that feeling. Now, hold on to that positive feeling and start repeating the phrase "Isn't it wonderful?" over and over again. The repetition of the phrase with positive feelings stimulates your brain to feel as if you have already achieved your desire. This is what Neville Goddard calls the state of the wish fulfilled. The longer you stay in this state, the faster your desires manifest physically. Go to sleep while chanting "Isn't it wonderful?" along with the positive feelings. Do it every night as much as you want, ideally for a few weeks, so that your subconscious gets properly impressed with the feeling. Let's talk about how you can use the wonderful "Isn't it wonderful?" technique if you have something specific to manifest. This is the method I personally use with great success. Be very clear about what you want to manifest. Write it down if possible. Every night before going to sleep, enter a calm and relaxed state through meditation or any practice that calms you down. In a relaxed mental state, construct a future scene that shows your desire has already manifested. Feel the emotions of joy, accomplishment, and gratitude. Feel any positive emotion that helps you believe your desire has been fulfilled. With this future scene in your mind and the positive feeling in your heart, start repeating "Isn't it wonderful?" repeatedly. Do it every night for at least 4 weeks for optimal results. This technique helps reprogram your subconscious mind, aligning your energy with the desired outcome. By doing so, you will start attracting the people, resources, and opportunities necessary to manifest your desire into your physical reality. For example, let's say you want to manifest a new job. You would write down specific details about the job you desire, such as position, salary, and company culture. Every night before going to sleep, you would enter a calm state, visualize yourself working at that job, feel the positive emotions associated with having it, and repeat the phrase "Isn't it wonderful?" to yourself. By doing this consistently over time, you will start attracting opportunities and resources that align with the desired outcome, eventually leading to the manifestation of your dream job. If you enjoyed the content and found it valuable, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do so and turn on notifications so you don't miss our new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.